So let me ask something bold. What are we holding on to that's taking up space but giving us nothing in return? Too many commitments, outdated obligations, being the reliable one for people who wouldn't return the favor if our house was on fire? Yeah, that kind of stuff. We've been taught that gain requires hustle, but here's a quiet truth. Sometimes the real power move is letting go. And I don't mean quitting your responsibilities or ghosting people. I mean being honest about what no longer serves the you that you're becoming. Think about a bag. Think about how a bag can be a metaphor for our lives. Women, especially women who look like me, have been trained to carry invisible loads, care work, emotional labor, unpaid expectations. And guess what? We do it while making it look easy. But just because we can carry it doesn't mean we should. Let's take 10 seconds right now. What's one commitment in your life that drains you more than it fills you? 10 seconds. Got it? Now, flip the lens. What could you gain if you let that go? More rest? More clarity? A version of yourself not on the edge of a breakdown? In the playbook exercise, we're asked to name 3 things we'd like to release. So let's start small. Pick one. Don't rationalize it. Don't guilt trip it. Just claim the freedom. This week, your action step is to schedule a 15-minute solo strategy session. Grab a notepad, your phone, or a voice memo, or whatever works for you, and walk yourself through this. What support do I need to release this thing? And who do I need to stop asking permission from? Because letting go is not giving up. It's gearing up for something better. Because it's not that we need more hands, we need less weight. Go ahead and make space and hold space for you. That's it for now. I'll see you next week for Battle Plan 46, igniting your badassery. Until then, be well.